moving pictures. Hello there, moving pictures.
What's up, Doc? I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl.
Guys, we're staying there at the Polynesian. We haven't stayed here in a very long time. I don't even know how many years. So it looks like they're doing some like remodeling. We got to go in a different area.
Go in here.
I guess. Yeah. Oh yeah, they have this little temporary hut. So these people evidently have an issue with being able to read signs. It says no left turn.
But there were only 2 signs that said no.
Oh, there was only 2.
Yeah.
So guys, we're actually staying in the tower. So we're gonna go a little bit further. We're very excited to get 2 nights at the tower. That's all they had available. All right, we're gonna try our bands and see if it works. It actually worked. All right, so we're gonna park because our room isn't ready and we're gonna go get food. Oh, you know what I just remembered, hon?
What?
Those areas that other people can't get to unless you're staying there. I forgot about those.
Get to that?
Look at this great parking spot. By the way, that's not ours. That we got right at the entrance, right across from the lobby. Wonderful parking. Very pretty.
Aloha.
Hi. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing in here. I love the way it smells. Okay, we're gonna get a more detailed look in a bit. Right now, we haven't had lunch, so we're headed over to the main building to go to Captain Cook's, get some food. And what's different, something we haven't done since, what did we say, 2018 or 19. We got the dining plan only because we're only here for 2 nights before we head over to Wilderness Lodge for the rest of our stay. And we thought, hey, the beginning of our trip, 2 nights, let's get the dining plan, refillable mugs, and that way we can spread out the credits 3 days instead of 2, so it made sense. We got the dining plan that has 1 table service and 1 quick service. So we just got our mugs, so there's none of those available. We each get 1 snack a day, which old school, back in the day you got 2 a day. And so I got the blue and Tom got the purple. So it's the same mug, it's just a different color. The handles and lids are different colors.
That sounds like different mugs to me.
Nope, same mugs. Or same graphics, we'll say that. Same graphics on the mugs. Yeah, so these are new. They just recently came out. I am so proud of you that our first meal, you got Disney fries, because there are no better fries than Disney fries. What else did you get?
The Aloha pork sandwich.
And I got the superfood salad. This is so good, guys. This is what I get every time. It looks a little different though than the last time, but still looks marvelous. All right, it is a little after 2. We are done with our lunch and our room is ready. So we're gonna drop off what we have and check out the room and then go unload the vehicle. So of course, any guests can come check out the lobby here, but actually to get up in the elevators, you actually have to be staying here. Ooh. Pretty.
All right, guys, get on in.
Alright, 8605, this should be us. Not too far from the elevator. We're so excited, this is the first time we've ever stayed here. My first impression is this is very spacious, isn't it?
Seems to be nice.
I mean, this is a lot of room. So the pull down bed, which we won't need, have a sofa. Like I said, this is the first time we've ever stayed in the towers. And of course, like all the new remodeled and newish rooms, you get a little reading light. They actually have a little Bible there. Need to go get our luggage so I can charge my phone. All right, and 2 chairs and a table. We did not get theme park view, so this is our view. If anybody plays golf, we can see them play golf. But I love this. Oh my gosh, that is so much counter space. Wow.
Look at that. They know our last name is Guest.
Let's guess. Wow, look at this. Regular and Keurig. We've got decaf and regular Joffrey's. And, oh my gosh, we got a dishwasher? What the heck?
We got a nice corner balcony. That's cool.
We got a dishwasher.
Yeah, I saw that.
That is different.
It's awesome.
You know what? I think this is the reason this room is like this, I think this is handicap accessible. Is it? Because a wheelchair could fit right there, right? To be able to do dishes. Let me look at the bathroom. Oh, man, this is nice. A rain head, shower head. I like the little cubbies here. Yeah, this is the reason it's so spacious, because this is enough room for a wheelchair to move around. Pocket door, mirror.
Yeah, nice. I like the mirrors. Those are fun.
And let's see. Oh, a hospitality steam. I've never seen one in a... This is a nice closet. Laundry basket, luggage rack. Nice lighting. Little cubby for the ironing board.
Can I make a strange observation here?
Go for it.
Apparently you're right about this being an accessible room, because the hanging bar
Exactly.
is really low and there's nothing we can
do with that space. But that is that. Now I'm curious to what's a regular room like.
All t-shirts, so who cares?
It's like, what's a regular room look like? Not a handicap accessible. That's why we have so much room. And probably why we have like the extra little counter space here. This is really, really nice. Of course, I mean, like I said, we're only here for 2 nights. We'd love to be able to stay longer, but if this isn't your home resort, it's hard to get in here. And our home resort is Wilderness Lodge, which is where we are headed to next. Trash, I'm guessing. Yeah, look at that.
We're monorail front.
What? We can see the monorail? Oh! Tom's a happy camper. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's awesome. Yeah, I like this corner room.
Yeah.
Because like nothing's blocking us. Like we can actually see people playing golf.
So it is a
So preferred means you're going to be on this side because it's not theme park view, but you're going to be up higher. So your views are better. Wow. Yeah. This is real. Okay, I got to take pictures. Right. This is awesome. What's behind door number 1?
cool picture. Oh, you want them to see it?
And me, I'd really like to see it too. That's how easy, by the way, this pulls down. Oh yeah. That's nice. Loving the size of this fridge. And those are our waters, by the way. Amazing counter space. So we're only here for 2 nights, so not unpacking. I don't put my suitcases on the bed. So to have a counter this high, to be able to just work out of my suitcase is amazing.
So, we have this thing going where when we're traveling, we look for t-shirts. And Dana looks for Buc-ee's t-shirts. And every time she sees one, she calls it out and counts one. I look for metal band t-shirts. Not New Age, not Fleetwood Mac, but something that's got a much harder edge to it.
So name some of those bands that would count in your count.
I'm trying to think of things that people would know. You know, Metallica would work. Van Halen's a little borderline, but they would work. You know, Sabbath, Maiden, Priest, Crocus, Riot,
Rush.
early Def Leppard. Rush will make it. They're a little prog, but that's cool. So
They're a little what?
Progressive.
Oh, okay.
Rather than like pure metal, but they have a good hard edge to it as well, so yes.
And so who normally wins these?
Oddly enough, not me.
3:20. We need to head to Epcot because we have dinner reservations. Look at that tornado watch. So there's no reason to take our umbrella because the wind's just going to blow it away. Looks like we're going to be getting wet. All right. It's just drizzling right now. We are actually walking over to the Ticket and Transportation Center because that will be quicker than getting on the monorail. And then stopping at the Grand Floridian and then Magic Kingdom and then the Contemporary to get to the Ticket and Transportation Center. The only thing is we have to walk clear across the Polynesian property. We changed our minds. It's really looking bad out there. So we're just going to take the monorail. We're taking the long way to Epcot. That's a very dark cloud out there. Change of plans again. So right as the monorail got up there, they're like, there's going to be a delay at this station because of the weather. And we're like, oh, all right, back to walking. So because they have closed all monorail service, they have Epcot buses here at the Ticket and Transportation Center to take us over. It is 4:09. Ooh, saw that lightning.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you because